Okay, so open the template file, and the first thing you do is go to the file menu and go down to place embedded, and I've already loaded a family photo in here. This may not fit too well, but we'll see. Some things you're going to have to kind of work around. Okay, so at this point you can get the move tool here and move this around. Let's actually get rid of that cat in the background. You can click on this and just delete it. Now with the move tool, you should be able to see these resize dots. If not, press Ctrl T or go to Edit Transform. But you can see how you do need a certain photo to get things, that looks good. It doesn't get the wife in there, but it just depends on the photo, really. Alright, so at this point we can change the color, the background color. Go to, let me move this around so I can see what I'm doing here. Go to the image menu and go to adjustments, hue saturation, and then you can click colorize if you want, or just adjust. Oh, got to get off of this layer. Got to get on the template layer, and then go to image, image adjustments, hue saturation, and then slide this bar. I think this looks probably better in the reds to tans, but you can also boost the color. I don't really like it too boosted, so I kind of like it muted more like that. But you can also boost the color and go darker if you want like a darker color, But anyway, I don't think it looks that great that way. You can also boost the lightness. Something like that looks pretty good. I think you can actually go in with the eyedropper and sample a color also. Anyway, click OK. Then right click on the layer, go to blending options, and click on stroke, the category. Don't click on the checkbox, should already be checked. And then come over and click that color box. And then sample probably a little bit darker. Something like that. Also, to change the size is this slider here. It's set for 24, but let's go to 12. I think it looks a lot better with a thinner line. Click OK. And that should be it. The only other thing is if you're sending a preview, go to File and Export, Quick Export to PNG, and then name the file and save it. That's it.